The Role of Willpower. Standing in front of a bookshelf filled with self-help and psychology books. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss, the role of willpower in achieving your goals and improving your life. So, if you're looking to boost your self-control and accomplish your dreams, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our content. Part 1, Understanding Willpower. Before we dive into practical tips, it's crucial to understand what willpower is. Willpower is like a mental muscle. It's your ability to control your thoughts, actions, and emotions to accomplish a particular task or goal. In your brain, the prefrontal cortex plays a significant role in decision-making and self-control, which are essential for exercising willpower. Part 2, the depletion effect. Now, let's talk about the depletion effect. It's like a battery that can run out. You wake up with a full tank of willpower in the morning, but as you use it throughout the day, it gradually depletes. This is why it's important to use your willpower wisely and conserve it for the most critical tasks. Part 3, Strengthening Willpower. So, how can you strengthen your willpower? Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Set clear goals. Having clear, specific goals can boost your motivation and willpower. 2. Prioritize tasks. Focus on the most important tasks early in the day when your willpower is at its peak. 3. Practice self-awareness. Monitor your energy levels and know when to take breaks to recharge. 4. Meditation and mindfulness. These practices can help you stay centered and improve your self-control. 5. Build habits. Turn important tasks into habits to reduce the need for constant willpower. Part 4. Avoiding willpower drains. Now, let's talk about avoiding willpower drains. There are common pitfalls that can deplete your willpower. 1. Decision fatigue. The more choices you have to make, the more you deplete your willpower. Simplify your daily decisions. 2. Lack of sleep. Sleep is essential for willpower. Make sure you get enough rest. 3. Stress management. High stress levels can sap your willpower. Implement stress reduction techniques like exercise, meditation, or relaxation. Part 5, Building a strong willpower routine. To make willpower a part of your daily life, create a routine that supports it. 1. Morning routine. Start your day with positive habits and tackle the most important tasks early. 2. Willpower breaks. Schedule short breaks during the day to recharge your willpower. 3. Accountability. Share your goals with a friend or mentor who can help keep you on track. Part 6, Conclusion. In conclusion, willpower is a crucial factor in achieving your goals and making positive changes in your life. Remember, it's a finite resource that you can strengthen and conserve with practice and the right strategies. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more content on personal development and self-improvement. We'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep working on your willpower.